Hey, what's up, traders? This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Let's take a look at what happened this afternoon, or a few charts anyway. So on the SPY, evidently the market did not like what the Feds had to say. So rather than yesterday, on yesterday's video, I had two scenarios. One, if we broke out, if the market liked what the Fed said, and if the market does not like the Fed said, I had a second scenario. The second scenario was all about if we broke through the $300 red line here, that we were likely going to go down to 297. Now, I had no clue that it was going to happen in one day. I thought, well, maybe a couple of days, but 297 was definitely in the cards on a close below 300. Looks like we got it all in one day. Now, here's what happens here. If we continue weakness, or we cannot get back above the $300 mark, that's going to put this 293 right in the crosshairs. So even if we see a little bounce and we can't get past that 300 again, then watch for us to come back down. Could happen in one day, I guess. Could take us several days to get down into there, but I would watch that 293 level right in here. Let's take a quick look at the VIX. We looked at this yesterday as well, and then we're going to look at a different VIX chart. Yesterday I'd mentioned that right in here the buyers and sellers were arguing, and in the meantime they were constructing a support level in here, constructing a little launch pad. Well, the scenario was simple. We break out of this construction to the downside. Less fear would be in the market. The market in general would go up. But what happened is the fear took off. We broke out here. Now we're looking for a little more upside. And so by breaking out and holding, now what we may see is a little bit of a test. We might go up and then a little bit more test. But come back and do a little testing, and then we may try to hook to the upside on this. As far as some targets go, or ideas to maybe think about some money, is just simply look at those peaks and valleys. Look at those peaks and valleys right here. So I've been trading VXX. I've actually been holding it for several days. We closed up today, what was it? Still in it, closed up 31%, still in it. Targets I'm looking for, I'll probably pull some off at 24.80. And if we can manage to get up to this 26.5 area, somewhere around there, I'll have a second half that I'll pull off as well. So currently up 31%. When you have a big thump like today, a lot of times what you see is a little bit of consolidation. That consolidation, we start to see the buyers step in. That might be another opportunity. I might even add to it on that, looking for those levels to be tagged up there. So if it pulls back and gives a chance, I may just add when I start seeing the buyers come in. Okay, so, and this, by the way, is the only trade I'm going to look at today. I am going to give you a follow-up on our KSS trade from yesterday real quick, but this will be the trade that I might be looking at here. Hey, remember, if you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe, please click the subscribe button, and you'll know whenever we put a new video out in the evening. Sure would appreciate it. Alrighty, let's go look at KSS. I did sell it today. I sold it about that 54.55 level up here. And let's jump over to the 15-minute chart real quick. And here's where I sold it, or why I sold it. I got rid of it right here. And we came up with a little shooting star on that first candle on the 15-minute chart. And then we did another one, And then I was watching it from the scanner that I use. It was alerting me that it was pulling back. I glanced up at my charts, looked at it. Oh, hey, I'm not sure I want this. So I decided to sell it. And even though it rallied back up, I was very happy with my decision. And then you can see what happened from there. So you know I'm really, really happy with my decision. So we sold our KSS for a 41.46% profit. Now, I still like the chart overall. I still like the chart a lot. What we'll let it do is kind of settle out here. It has been up for the most part, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll count this day, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. That's quite a few days right there. So it could just need a little bit of a rest. And that's okay. I'll let it rest. And then as it pulls back to trend, I'll look for another entry and then see about getting back into that. So if it wants to pull back a little bit, that's fine. And actually, it may want to pull back to in here. Let it pull back, and then we'll look for more buyers, and then we'll see if we can get our other little areas up around 57, 59. Take some money, run to the bank there. All right. Hey, by the way, today I think I forgot to mention the date. Today is Wednesday, July 31, 2019. Again, if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, please. Leave us a note. I'll try to get an answer back to you. If you subscribe, you'll be alerted when we send out these videos. Thank you very much. I appreciate it, and I look forward to doing another one tomorrow. Thank you.